As a neurosurgeon, I've witnessed firsthand the incredible evolution of medicine, but nothing compares to the technological revolution we're experiencing today. From artificial intelligence to three-dimensional printing, groundbreaking innovations are transforming how we diagnose, treat, and manage our health. These advancements aren't just changing the face of healthcare, they're empowering both patients and practitioners. We're entering a new era of personalized, proactive, and precise medicine, and the possibilities are truly limitless. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into 6 key innovations that are shaping the future of healthcare and improving the well-being of people around the globe. Remember when the idea of a watch doing more than telling time seemed like science fiction? Today, smartwatches and fitness trackers have become commonplace, offering a glimpse into the incredible potential of wearable health technology. These devices go beyond tracking steps and calories. We're talking about sophisticated sensors that monitor heart rate, sleep patterns, even blood glucose levels in real time. This constant stream of data provides valuable insights into our overall health and alerts us to potential issues before they escalate. Imagine a world where your doctor is instantly notified if your smartwatch detects an irregular heartbeat or a sudden drop in blood oxygen levels. That's the power of wearables. They empower us to take control of our health and connect with medical professionals proactively. Three-dimensional printing has revolutionized industries from manufacturing to fashion, but its impact on healthcare is truly remarkable. We're now using this technology to create custom-designed medical devices, prosthetics, and even living tissues. Think back to the groundbreaking moment when scientists successfully implanted a lab-grown bladder into a young patient. That was made possible by three-dimensional bioprinting, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. Researchers are developing innovative systems like the Integrated Tissue and Organ Printing System, or ITOP, which can create even more complex tissues like skin, bone, and cartilage. The ability to print functional organs holds immense promise for the millions of people awaiting organ transplants. It's a future where the limitations of donor availability may one day be a distant memory. The operating room is another area where technology is making incredible strides. Robotic surgery, once a concept confined to science fiction, is now a reality, transforming complex procedures with unmatched precision and control. Surgical systems like the Da Vinci Sai allow surgeons to operate with enhanced dexterity and visualization, guiding robotic arms with incredible accuracy. This translates to smaller incisions, less blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. But the benefits extend beyond the operating room. Robotic surgery often means less pain, a lower risk of infection, and shorter hospital stays. It's a powerful example of how technology can make complex procedures less invasive and more patient-friendly.